Alright, so I think we need to build a house for our LOLs. What do you think? Alright.
We want a house for a baby.
Is it recording? Alright. You gotta slide over a little bit. Let me get in here.
Hi.
So we're here today to open some stuff. We got some Picasso tiles.
Yeah.
These are 3D magnetic building tiles. So we thought today Penny and I would open these up and play with them and see what they're all about.
Yeah.
You excited?
Mm-hmm.
This looks like fun.
Yeah.
Open this up.
And you also have to see who can build better stuff.
Okay.
And if somebody gets 35 points, then they win. If somebody just
35
gets 2 points, then they lose.
Oh, we're making up games, huh?
Yeah, that's a game. Let's open it.
There's a handle up top.
Yep.
Here we go. Wow! Look at this.
Whoa. Oh, they're magnets.
They're magnets.
Yeah, they are.
Let's get all these guys out and see what we got here. Alright. Alright, well let's see what we can do here.
I'm trying to take them apart. Watch.
Well, they're magnets, so they stick together, right?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. So there's 2D objects, and they have magnets, so you can kind of stick them together and do fun things. Look what we can do.
Whoa.
It's just as easy as that.
Whoa.
Can you put that on top?
Yeah, and then I'm going to put this.
Wow.
That.
Look at that.
I'm going to put this.
Stuff.
There.
Yeah. Oh, Daddy knocked it over.
It's okay, don't worry.
Look at this. You're building a house.
It's a house.
There's all sorts of different sizes and shapes. Look at this. Look what we can do. Look at that. Wow, right? Stick them together. You can put them any which way. And just build and build and build.
Look, this is where somebody's sleeps.
Yeah, look at that, guys.
That's me.
Get your LOLs out. We can start putting them in here.
Yeah. We should make this even more bigger.
We're like building a house right now, Pen. Look at this, guys. Just a bunch of 2D shapes. All magnetic, all different colors. And just very quickly and easily just kind of start making houses.
Looks so cool.
We're gonna need to get more of these and stack them up higher and higher. So let's look and see what we got here. And we got all sorts of different colors and shapes. So you can see the bottom of here. We got these giant squares.
Diamond.
So we have triangles, right? Two different sized triangles. And you can start to put them together and make 3D shapes. How easy that is. When you start to stack them on top of stuff, all of a sudden you can make all sorts of cool structures. Wow, and look how easy this is. So we got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Penelope loves it because she loves rainbows, so she can make rainbow houses.
Let's knock it down.
Wanna knock it down? All right.
Yeah, and then we could do it again.
Alright, so we're gonna take it down. Let's rip it all down. Let's show the camera everything, okay? Alright, so you have some basic building blocks here. You have these large squares. Everything again is magnetic, so it's just easy, alright? And we can build right up. We can do all sorts of cool stuff. Make 3D shapes just by touching them together because they're magnets. We can move it real easily, right? From there, we got little smaller squares, and these squares can go to the bigger squares, and very quickly we can make cubes. Perfect for your LOL dolls, right, Pen? And since we're making buildings and houses here, it's great to have a triangle so you can start to build, you know, a roof. So I take some triangles, I lean them towards each other, and really quickly we got a roof, right, Pen?
And that's just going to be a mini house.
So look at that. Look how easy that is.
See,
It's not hard at all.
no, because we can make it more bigger.
Yeah, so we can just keep stacking and stacking and have all sorts of fun. All these different configurations, all these different colors.
Whoa!
What do you think, huh?
Yeah, I think that. Whoa!
Alright, so I think we need to build a house for our LOLs. What do you think? Alright.
We really want a house for a baby. And also make a bed too.
Make
for
a bed
our
too.
baby.
And look at you can fit right in there. You can make little rooms. How perfect is that? Look at that.
She's taking it.
So let's do that. Let's make a bunch of rooms for our LOL dolls.
Yeah, so many.
Okay. Oh no, Daddy! Let's start over. I'm sorry. Alright, let's start over.
Wait, I need that green piece. This is where the outside is.
Okay, oh, okay, that's a good idea. So the outside's gonna be the grass, the inside, the red one's gonna be the house.
Peeing. The dog is peeing.
Oh boy. Maybe these are the bedrooms. Alright, so where's everyone gonna go?
Everybody's going to go everywhere.
Everywhere. Can I put a roof on this one?
Yeah, sure, you want to.
Let's put a roof on it. Look at that. Oh wow, guys, look at this house.
Hey, I
put
want it to
together
be
so
more
quick.
taller.
More taller, no one's gonna be able to see me anymore. I guess we should say goodbye to everyone. We'll just keep playing. What do you think?
Goodbye.
Well, thanks for watching us. What do you guys think of these blocks? Have you seen these before? What would you build with them? I think Pen's a bird. Alright, well, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, not only can you build houses, you can be a duck. What do you think of that? Quack, quack, quack. Alright, well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and
I'm a crocodile.
and be a crocodile. Subscribe.
Catch you on the flip side. Bye.
Bye.
We do just a little more.
It's really cool. What do you think?
Just a little more.
Just a little more. Well, you can do this. Make a little house right here.
A doghouse.
Make some dog houses.
Let's make 2 doghouse.
There's 2. 1, 2. A little roof. Oh, go up like that. We'll do whatever we want. How cool is that? Look at this, Ben. You can probably do that. Wow! Oh, too many.
Hey, we could also put some gates. Let's put some gates. A gate for the dog. Let's put a gate for the dog.
Okay.
That's a gate. That's a gate. What level was she like going? She's going in the bathroom.